Experiencing issues sending texts on Total Wireless? There are a few key areas to investigate. Two common culprits are the SMSC, Short Message Service Center setting, and RCS, Rich Communications Services status. The SMSC is the network gateway for SMS messages. A misconfigured SMSC will prevent texts from sending. On Total Wireless, the correct SMSC number is often +19085550000 or +13980, but it depends on your device and region. Make sure this number is correctly entered in your phone's messaging settings. RCS is the newer messaging protocol that offers advanced features, but it can sometimes cause conflicts. If you're having trouble, try toggling RCS off and on in your messaging app settings to reset the connection. Checking these two items fixes the majority of texting issues for most users. If checking the SMSC and RCS doesn't resolve the issue, consider retry mechanisms and other solutions. Messaging apps automatically retry sending messages several times. If these retries consistently fail, it often indicates a network connectivity problem. Ensure you have a stable LTE or 5G signal. If signal is weak, switch to Wi-Fi calling, clear your messaging app's cache and data, and manually resend the message. In rare cases, network issues can cause problems and will likely need to be addressed by Total Wireless. Total Wireless also has a troubleshooter feature in their app to diagnose issues in real time. To access advanced settings on Android, dial 4636.